there is a topology on it. ठीक है? So this is its prescription. Now you can think actually that why only these three things should be there. ठीक है? So this is a good boring example, but now let's get into the more interesting stuff. Now here is the thing. Let's imagine I have this real line, and let's imagine I have this interval actually 0 to 1. I'm calling this interval x from 0 to 1 as what? As a segment. So it is like this segment. It is like this segment. ठीक है? So if it is like this segment, and using, this object, I want to, so just imagine this like this object as like what? As a rope or something like that, physically. So I want to create a circle of it. So if I want to create the circle, what do I need to do? ग्लू करना पड़ेगा. उसके ग्लू करने का मतलब क्या है मैथमेटिकली?
function define करें.
Like with this recipe, you don't have to worry about function actually. Think about it. What do you have to just do actually? ठीक है? You can create a set x star in which you can take the points of x and put them together, okay, as the disjoint sets. ठीक है? और आप you can take your favorite points and put them together into a single set, and that putting them together into a single set is like gluing it. It's like gluing. So what set you would create? What set you would create? क्या करें? D के अंदर क्या होना चाहिए?
इसमें जो ओपन इंटरवल बनाएंगे तो इसमें रखेंगे.
Good. सबसे पहले तो इसके अंदर ये सारे पॉइंट्स होने चाहिए.
Yes, sir.
ये सारे पॉइंट्स. ठीक है? So let's put all of these points 0 1. ठीक है? So this 0 1 is like a one piece actually. Is the one piece. इसके अलावा अब क्या करें? बाकी जो दो पॉइंट्स रहते हैं 0 1, उनके साथ में क्या करें? Let's call it x star. ठीक है? तो एक को मैंने इसके अंदर 0 1 रख दिया. और क्या करें?
Points.
वो जो n पॉइंट्स हैं, put them as a single
सेट.
set. ठीक है? Now this x star contains two sets. एक वो all intervals between all points between 0 1, और दूसरे points कौन से? n points. So I put them together. So this is like having 2 points. Okay. So in other words, all of points remain the same. Okay. So nothing is changed. Nothing is changed. Only these 2 points, one is like 0, another is like 1. They are glued, and by gluing is like putting them together in a set. And now, is this a partition of this 0 1? Partition है? इसके अंदर सारे numbers मौजूद हैं between 0 and 1, और इसके अंदर n points मौजूद हैं. Now this is x star. That's the. This is circle. It looks like circle, but that's a circle.
जीरो सेट में 0 और 1 है, ये अब एक पॉइंट बन जाएगी तो सर्कल में भी
सर ये रेक्टेंगल
ये पे वो नहीं बचेगा.
क्या मतलब?
रेक्टेंगल भी हो सकता
So
है.
जब हम आगे पढ़ेंगे, so there is something called continuous maps. ठीक है? तो फिर we'll see that this map P that we have is a continuous map. ठीक है? Then you know, using continuous map, we can show that a circle and a rectangle or any closed picture are basically the same thing. There's no difference between all these things. ठीक है? भले आप इसको rectangle assume कर दें या circle assume कर दें, जो भी मर्जी assume कर दें. ठीक? So the idea is keep the rest of the points as it is. ठीक है? बाकी जितने भी points हैं एक सेट के, उनको आप वैसा का वैसा रख दें इस एक्स स्टार के अंदर, और जिन पॉइंट्स को ग्लू करना चाहते हैं पुट देम टुगेदर एज a single set. Now this new object that you have created is the closed picture. So it contains all of these points and points glued together. ठीक है? समझ आ रही है बात? So that's a mathematical way to state.
सर अगर ओपन सेट होगा फिर 0 होगा ना,
क्या मतलब?
एक से ओपन सेट होगा, ओपन
फिर तो
इंटरवल
उनमें एंड पॉइंट्स हैं ही नहीं ना,
ओपन
तो फिर उनके एंड पॉइंट्स जोड़ने का सवाल ही पैदा नहीं होगा.
बस 0 और 1 करें.
नहीं, you could take any two end points and you know and try to glue them, but not this.
सर
Like that.
सर यहाँ पे सर बी में सर सी डी ई कहाँ से आ गया?
नहीं, CDE कहीं से नहीं आया. I just created
सबसे
subsets of X, but as it is joint. So you could take AC and BDE, or you can just take singleton A and BCDE. फिर यहाँ पर topological space थोड़ी सी तब्दील हो जाएगी. ठीक है, but the rest is same. ठीक है. ये I mean if you are thinking that ये मेरे पास कहाँ से आ रही है, try to apply the definition that you learnt at. वो कौन से सबसेट्स हैं इन दोनों के कॉम्बिनेशन के, यानी एक्स के जिन के इनवर्स सिमेट्री जब देखूं तो वो टोपोलॉजी में होगी. That's what you can. You can apply the definition, you can get that. ठीक है, so that's the recipe to describe mathematically as. Now, about if I do this, let's imagine that I am in two dimension. ठीक है, अब ये सिर्फ I'm just creating. Underline would draw me. Let's imagine that instead of this I have a rectangle out of it. Your two dimension में rectangle मौजूद है. ठीक है? And I want to create a cylinder out of it. So how are you going to create a cylinder out?
दोनों तरफ से लास्ट टाइम तो
ग्लू करेंगे.
So in other words, I'm going to take this line
एंड लाइन
and this line, okay, and glue them together. Okay. Maybe let's say that this rectangle is like this. Okay. 0, 2 cross 0, 1. Okay. So the height is 0, 1, and this is 0, 2. And there is cross product. Okay. But you got to mathematically precisely describe it. जब आप ग्लू कर रहे हैं तो उसका क्या मतलब? Now give me those two pieces that जैसे हमने यहाँ एक सेट लिखा that के इस 0-1 इंटरवल के सारे पॉइंट्स को एक जगह रखिए और जिन पॉइंट्स को ग्लू करना है उनको मैंने एक सेट में रखी.
0,1 0,2
तो यहाँ क्या करना चाहिए?
0,1 यूनियन 0,2
उनके
0,1 union 0.
0,3
अगर फर्क कर दें आप जो है ना इसमें है टू डायमेंशनल प्लेन में है. ठीक है, then each one of these points has a coordinate. इसके coordinates क्या? 0 0. ये क्या होगा? 1 0. ये 1 1 है और 1 2 है. ठीक है, and this is 2 0. ठीक है. इस लाइन की इक्वेशन क्या होगी? So this line is a line actually. इस लाइन की इक्वेशन क्या होगी?
y equal to 0
Y equal to x.
0
Y equal to 0. Okay. But if I have to write this as the set of, by the way, सबसे पहले तो ये बता देना कि if I have to write this in, चलें ठीक है, okay, let's try to write it. ठीक है, तो what is going to be this line? I don't know, give it a name. So this is line 1 and this is line 2. Rest I'm keeping it as it is. So what would be the description of line 1 and 2-dimensional plane?
X equal to 0, sir.
X equal to 0.
Yes, sir.
Why this is collection of ordered pairs because each component has point has 2 components.
एक
So if I would say it is the collection of those ordered pairs,
yes sir
या यूं कह दें कि this is simply 0 1. Are you happy with it?
Yes, sir.
So this is simply 0 1. So if I say that if my x is 0 and take y, but y any 0 नहीं हो सकता. So y should be something between
0 and
0
and
0 and you agree with it? Okay. So x equal to 0 means this entire line. But मैं सारी लाइन में तो इंटरेस्टेड नहीं हूँ, मैं तो इस पार्ट में इंटरेस्टेड हूँ. इस पार्ट में y की वैल्यूज की
0 to 1.
0 to 1. That's what I mean. ठीक है. So similarly, what would be the equation of line 2?
less than equal to
0, comma
0, 1.
Sir, 1, comma.
Sir, 2 comma
2
y.
comma y. 2 comma y.
2y, ordered pair 2y.
yes sir
2
Where y is between 0.
0
ठीक है. So that's line 2. Okay. And how about the rest of the objects? उसे मैं कैसे describe?
Same. उसमें 0
sir 0 comma y
Okay. L3, not L3, but I don't know. Give it some name. Huh? Let's say that बाकी को मैं R कह देता हूँ. That's my rectangle R. ठीक है? It is going to be what? I mean, सिर्फ rectangle नहीं ना. So I'm talking about this. नहीं, okay, rectangle की बात है.
yes sir
So it is going to be the collection of 0, 2.
2
अगर if all these are only lines, then I can give them L3 and
L4
L4. Call them L3 and L4. ठीक है? And then you can write similarly L3 as L3 as what?
x comma 0
X 0, where x runs between
0 to 1
0 to
0 2.
and
L4
L4
x comma y
is x and 1, where x runs between
0
2
to
to
1.
1
0 and 2 actually. So can you tell me one problem that is still there? What is that problem? So this okay, so we have tried to create some
sir end point
by the way, we are doing something really simple. ठीक है, really simple. Because हम क्या कर रहे हैं, फिर हमें लगता है हम अपना मकसद भूल गए. ठीक है?
Glue
So
करना.
इनको glue करके, ठीक है, I want to create a cylinder. So when you are gluing, it's not just gluing this, these lines, but like ये हिस्सा भी तो रहेगा ना. This is so you might come. Confused, ये part भी रहेगा. ठीक है? So this part is going to be there, but this is my L1. This is my L2. Forget about it. अब मुझे बताएं, what is, so if you take away L1 and L2, what would be the simplest way to describe this?
open
0, 2 open set.
क्रॉस 0, 1
दोबारा बताएं. 0, 2 in open.
यस सर
Cross
0, 1
and close. पक्की बात है. किसी को कोई इतराज है? Because 0, 0, 0, 0, 1 is basically this line, and 0, 2 is basically this line. ठीक है? So this is what. Yeah, you can do one thing. So you can say, so this is good. Or you can say, okay, take this entire set 0, 2 cross 0, 1 and just take away these two lines. So take this rectangle and just take away these two lines. So this is going to be precisely same. Let's say call it X. Now my X star is what? Is this S? And maybe you can call it R. So this R with everything except these two lines and L1 and L2. So that's a cylinder. नहीं L1 और L2 को glue भी करना है. So इनको glue कैसे करेंगे? Just want to have to put them together. You have to put them together. This is a cylinder. Can you see what I have done? I have took the everything else. ठीक है? ये these two lines और इनको glue करने का मतलब क्या है? Put them together. Put them together. By the way, ये R U होना चाहिए या R B है? We need to be careful. ठीक है. ठीक है. So I hope you understood now what is going on. And in this manner, you can have
L2 में जो 0 इंक्लूड होगा
किसमें
वो इंटरवल जो है बाइस कैरेक्टर देना चाहिए 0 11
L2 में क्या इंक्लूडेड होगा?
y इंटरवल
0. ठीक है. This is more precise. So that's a cylinder description of it. But I mean, if you wish, you can. The question is, can you write this entire set, this new thing, that cylinder? Isme aapne you have created, and maybe this is the line that joins the both ends. Okay. Can you write this as what? As the collection of points in R3? Okay. So it's going to be a good exercise for thing actually. Anyway. And in this manner you can create all kinds of things. How about if I want to now create a Mobius strip? A Mobius strip. Remember a Mobius strip? What does it look like?
yes sir
inside is out.
थोड़ा सा दें ना थोड़ा आप लिखिए चले वो ना ऐसा छोटा सा सर ये कैसी है so let's
या सर कटिंग कट करे
You have this strip actually. You see like a rectangle, glue them together, you get a
Triangle.
But if you want to create a Mobius strip, what you need to do?
inside is
You need to take this, and you know, जैसे एक को you have to
मोड़ के
still.
हाँ बस यही करते हैं सर
अभी भी कर सकते हैं। This,
फिर बस सीधा सीधा नहीं
अच्छा करिए। This doesn't look like, but topologically this is a rectangle. So you have it, and then you say that before gluing it, you give a turn, and then glue it, and then this is Mobius strip. But now we want to write it mathematically. So the idea is really going to be simple actually. I mean, इतना कोई मुश्किल नहीं है. तो सिर्फ क्या करना पड़ेगा? You have to just think. एक तो rectangle का ये middle है, which is going to be same. Everything is same. ठीक है. The only thing that you have to do, if this is representing what you call this is representing what you call some interval, a collection of ordered pairs. This is also collection of ordered pairs. Okay. So you need to do a special move or make some change in these collection of ordered pairs so that in lines को मैं या in points को मैं glue कर सकता हूँ. ठीक है. और जिनको मैं glue कर रहा हूँ, I have to just put them in a set. और कोई आपने ठीक है. So let's think about it that how to do. Not that difficult, but practice basically. So what you need to do, so you have this piece of paper, okay, and I have to glue this side, okay. If I put this symbol, this means that I have to glue them together without changing the direction. Okay, so what does it mean? It means that it's a cylinder. But I have to make a move. I have to glue it together, these lines. But before gluing, I have to invert the direction of one side. Okay?
yes sir
So what can I create? Let's start. Okay, let's do maths of it. I need to practice basically. Draw Mobius system. It's not that easy. I mean, slender तो आप कर सकते हैं draw. Take these two circles and join them together. You get this picture. In order to draw the cylinder, what do you need to do? Mobius system. So you need to do this.
सर ड्रा 8 नंबर 8
एक नंबर ड्रा कर. फिर क्या होगा?
फिर
वो
उसमें
बस
वो
स्ट्रिप
बना
बन जाएगी
एक यूं ड्रा करो
इससे थोड़ा बड़ा
और बड़ा. फिर क्या होगा?
सन के बीच में सर्कल भी ड्रा कर
इनके बीच में
सर्कल
ऐसे. Is this a Mobius system?
थोड़ा सा वहाँ से थोड़ा
लेस
थोड़ा थोड़ा
फील आ रही है
There is a much more efficient. There is a much more efficient.
मैंने ना चेक की
Let me. I think make this and
राफे
दो सर्कल बनाए. फिर क्या होगा? मैनेज करना मुश्किल आसान है मगर ये तो बनाना चाहिए. बनाने के चक्कर में but I hope you got like this is going to be a good exercise.
ये assignment है, हम कर रहे
जी?
हैं। Assignment है, हम करके आएंगे।
हम प्रैक्टिस करेंगे
10 मार्क्स के